Okay, question number 13 says the table compares the typical monthly cost of electricity for several appliances. We have fridge, computers, televisions, and treadmills. I'll tell you how much energy my treadmill uses at my house, and it certainly isn't time on in 15 hours per month, that's for sure. I think we could put a decimal somewhere around here. Oh, I can't even use a decimal here. 0.00015 hours per month, or about 1 minute. What is the hourly unit cost for each appliance? Well, let's look at that. So are we going to do dollars per hour or hours per dollar? Probably dollars per hour. So I'll write that first just to make sure I keep my rates the same. So it's $12.11 for 240 hours a month for the fridge is on. Divide by 240. Divide by 240. And I guess $12.11 divided by 240. That's not bad. It's about a nickel an hour. That's actually quite reasonable. 0.05 per hour, or per hour. A nickel per hour to run the fridge. That's pretty stinking cheap. Well, I guess not really, because it's $1 a day. Anyway, however you want to look at it. For my computer, I have $4.26 for 120 hours. That's even cheaper. Let's look at that one. So I take $4.26 divided by 120 equals, that's almost 4 cents an hour. We'll round up. No, we won't do a round up. That's not a round up. So it's $0.0355, or a little more than 3.5 cents per hour. Let's put the per hour there. Television, $3.46 for 180 hours. So $3.46 divided by 180 hours the TV's on. That doesn't take much at all. That's 0.019. 0.019 equals 0.019, just a little, almost 2 cents per hour. The last one is $3.99 for 15 hours. If I take that and divide by 15, where's my calculator? 3.99 divided by 15 equals, that's quite expensive. And that's why we don't use it. That's a good excuse why not to use a treadmill. It's about 26.6 cents per hour. So as you can see here, what this data tells us, it's much better to watch TV than it is to exercise. That's the moral of the story.